Alright guys, today we're going to be playing Find the Button. Let's get straight into it, and also, if you want more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe right there next to the bridge. Alright guys, it's probably going to be really easy from now since we're only starting now. Oh, saw the button, it is gold. Let me go press it. Under the next level, looks like we have to jump up this with structure. That was easy. Right onto the next level, probably going to be behind that tree, but I will probably go look around just in case. Looks like I was right. Looks like we have to climb up on this level, the same as the other one to get the button. Let me real quick get up here. It should be really harder to so far. It is really easy. Look, it is pretty much the same as the novel level, so let me real quick do this looks like. Looks like I fell. Let me zoom out to press the button. This one might be harder to find. Where's the button onto the next round? Looks like a cave. Let me go look inside. There's a button, too easy. Looks like we are in a cave. Let me look around to find the button. There it is, easy. This one was really easy onto the next level. I'll do one more, then I will stop. This one might be hard to find. Never mind. It was kind of difficult. Thanks for watching till the end.